is this?
Gertrudis.
This is Gertrudis. She came to Vancouver. This is so awesome.
I am so excited to be here.
I couldn't believe
our
it.
teacher, Karim.
I was sitting in class and then somebody knocked on my door and it was like, who's this? It was like Gertrudis. I'm like, Gertrudis. Because I couldn't believe it's the same Gertrudis from the thing. Yeah. That is so cool. Thank you for coming to Vancouver.
Thank you.
So see, sometimes it translates from the internet to real life. So, I'm saying sometimes it goes from the internet to real life. Like instead of seeing each other on the internet, we can also see each other in real life. Like now it's real life.
Yes.
You're here.
Real life.
Yes, and Gertrudis is very real. She's here right now.
I am here. Karim is real. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. All right, just a quick video. I'm on the break between classes, so we'll see you guys soon. I guess Gertrudis, or actually no, you can still join the live class even from here. All right, so we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Thank you.